What's up, dolls? So I am showing you all how I moisturize and seal my edges, but what I actually use is actually my aloe vera plant. I do this off and on. I try to do it more on than off. I do drink actual organic aloe vera. I do get this from my local public store, so if you're interested in that, definitely try it out. This helps with your overall skin, it helps with your hair, and it also helps with digestion. So if you're going to be drinking this, I say drink it on an empty stomach, and then from there make sure that you are ready to go to the bathroom. I took out my locks, my faux locks, and this is what my hair looks like. If you all have not watched that video, then go check it out. I did show you all on how I moisturize and seal my hair and what all the products that I do use, and some of them, if not, yeah, some of them I'm going to be using today, again just showing you how I do my edges. Now my aloe vera plant that I grow, you can get this from Home Goods. You can grow it yourself by just getting the seeds itself from like Home Goods as well. I think Home Depot has it. Not Home Goods, I'm sorry, Home Depot and Lowe's are the two places that I know also has it. There's many other places. I just pull some off, pull a little piece of my aloe vera off, and I use this for multiple reasons. I put this on my skin at night, so after I'm done washing my skin, my face, I'll just place it on my skin. I put it on any scars that I may have, but then also I put this on my edges. So what I do is I get my aloe vera plant and I get my nail and just kind of split it down the middle. It's very easy. And I open it up like this. I can show you all that good in there. This is a moisturizer for me, but then you can also go behind that and use another moisturizer, but you honestly would not need it. I then open it up and I kind of just, you could just see how much like of the aloe vera plant is just so moisturizing. So I'll go and I'll rub it literally on my edges like such. And I also use this as a gel. So if I'm wanting to gel down my edges for the next morning, then I'll go and put this on. It's so moisturizing. I cannot tell you how moisturizing this feels on my hair. Like my hair automatically just feels so soft and moisturized. After I took out my locks, my hair, like, it felt so moisturizing. So I'm going to use this also on my ends. I feel like I have hair in my face, but I can't see it. So all of this is going to be on my edges. I'm using this all on my edges, and then just going to go in and massage my edges. I don't massage my edges unless I use something like this, because usually I don't try to put too much tension on my edges. The way that you can get more of the plant to just release some of that moisture is just putting your nail through it, and then it will expose some more of the aloe vera. So I'm going to do my front as well. Now I don't have any issues with my front part of my hair, but girl, why not? It has multiple uses and it's free. Like if you grow the plant, it's from that point on of obviously buying it, you can use it over and over again. Just keep watering it and it will just continue to give you the benefits. I do this as often as possible, so whenever my edges feel dry, I'm doing it. So it's not like a set time. It could be between every other day, it can be between, you know, every day, just depending on what activities I have. So that's what it's looking like, and I love the way it feels. Again, I cannot explain, it just feels so moisturizing. Be careful because like the spiky parts on it can catch your hair, so just be careful putting it on your hair. I don't have any issues with my kitchen area of my hair, nape, whatever you all want to call it, but I do it as a precaution. You know, I don't want to wait for there to be a problem for me to be doing it, you know. I'm just moisturizing like my whole perimeter of my hair. And like I said, my only issues that I've been having again in the past is my edges. All right, so once all of that's done, I am now going in and just gonna rub that onto my ends. And like my hair loves aloe vera. If you use this, one, be careful, but just because not everybody can use it on their skin, and maybe not even on your hair. So I would say just try, if anything, try a piece of it to see how it reacts with your hair or your skin or whatever else, you know, you're using it for. Look at all that moisture, honey, moisture. And I'm just gonna rub that all through my hair, and my hair it's just gliding onto my hair. My hair feels so good. I love this, and I can't believe, like, girl, it's free. That's all the goodness that you want. Okay, focus, there you go. My hair is loving it, and I'm trying to make sure that my ends are getting it. Like, I need to make sure, like, my hair is really soaking up this product. Why do I keep saying product? This plant. This is a plant. This is not a product. So I say just make sure that your hair is saturated with it, and then you can move on to whatever choice oil that you want to use. Now that your hair is moisturized, honey, let's go ahead and seal it with the oil. Now you don't want to forget like your scalp area. So if you want to go in and like massage your product onto your scalp, then you can do that as well. I'm going to go ahead and do that really quick by just putting some on my hand and then just rubbing that onto my scalp. And while you're doing that, you can give yourself even a scalp massage. I'm just in awe at how moisturizing it is. All right, so once that's done, I'm then gonna go in with my amla oil, which is one of my favorite oils. It's a very light oil on top of that, so that's more of the reason why I like to use it. And I'm just tipping over the bottle and then just placing it onto my hair. And again, focus on your ends. I know that I'm going to be deep conditioning this weekend, so that's why I'm leaving my hair in these braids. And, you know, just making sure. Let's put the oil onto my scalp. Okay, then I'm gonna get my black castor oil. You know, this is good for hair growth, and put some on my tips of my finger, and I just kind of rub it in gently onto my edges. That's what it's looking like. I'm gonna get some more on my tips of my finger and begin to do my scalp massage. I stated before, you all can do this for 10, 15, 5 minutes, however you choose to do it. I just say include it in any method, whether it's your routine or your deep conditionings or whatever it is, just include it in some type of area of your hair journey. My hair is very much needed deep condition after leaving Miami. Okay, so that's how I moisturize and seal my edges as well as the remaining of my hair. And like I said, my hair just feels very, very, very soft, and that's because of me putting moisture in it under my locks and sealing with an oil. If you all have any questions, make sure you all list down below. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and then also go try the aloe vera. I got the Lakewood Organic Pure Aloe Vera. So this is what it looks like, and I got it from my local Publix. To me, it tastes like almost like a watered down lemonade or something like that, with really no sugar in it. So that's what it tastes like to me, which is fine. I don't care about all of that, but that definitely helps with your hair growth. It definitely helps with your digestive system as well. So I'm just sharing everything that I do on my hair journey with you all, any changes that I've done for the past couple of months and weeks or year. So that's it, I'm done, you all. I will see you all in my next video. Hope you all enjoyed. Bye.
Listen to the way you say you wanna get so high. Breathe me in like air tonight. Listen to the